Welcome to this unboxing of the Victorinox rescue tool. As you can see, the price was $1.99 New Zealand dollars. This is a genuine rescue tool. And this is the box it comes in. So if we go and check the sides now. So that's on the side of the box. Now if we go to underneath the box, as you can see, Swiss made, printed in Switzerland. And on the side of the box, it has the item number. Hopefully we'll pick it up. There we go. So now I'm going to take it out of its box. Because I'm using my phone, I'm just going to pause here for a second. So here it is, inside the box, in its sheath. We're going to take that sheath out now. Red with fluoro yellow, Victorinox logo, it's a good sheath. Has a back strap to put on your belt. And inside the box came the user's guide. Explaining the different functions. So now we're going to get the knife out. And here is the genuine rescue tool from Victorinox. Swiss made. You can see it just there, it says Victorinox Swiss made on the knife. Really good knife. And the genuine one glows in the dark, so we're going to try that now. So as you can see, it's lit up under fluorescent. The back not so much because I haven't done both sides and it wasn't sitting that way. But if I was to put the light on the other side as well, it would do the same thing. So that's how you know it's also a genuine one, because the fake ones don't glow in the dark. So let's move on to the features of the tool. At the top we've got a window glass breaker here, so you can break the glass window with it. Also, this knife has the main blade with a thumb, so you should be able to open it with one hand, as we're about to demonstrate here. Nearly, I got small hands, but you still can. So you should just be able to grab it and then open it one hand, just like that. If we look at the knife, it's got a serrated edge and then a flat edge. Victorinox was made on the top of the knife. Now it has a locking system, so as you can see I can't push it down. That's stiff, that won't go anywhere. I'm trying to push as hard as I can. So the only way to pull it down is here. You've got to move it up and then switch the locker place. So that's the knife. Let's check out the other features. So as you can see, we have the bottle opener with a flathead screw, driver end here, and a wire stripper there. Genuine Swiss Army knives will make a clicking sound. This one also has a locking blade, as you can see right here, right in that bit there. So you got to do the same thing. Move it over a bit. It's hard trying to do it with one hand and hold a camera at the same time. So you move it up into that position and then just push down into a 90 degree or click it all the way. So that was the bottle opener. Now let's go take a look at the other features on the other side of the knife. So now we'll look at this side of the knife, and we'll look at this one in particular. So this one here is a seatbelt cutter. Notice how easy it was to open with one hand there. Now it is sharp because it cuts seatbelts and other webbing. It's brand new, so I've only just pulled it out of its box. Now, as you can see, there's finger smudge marks all over it already. So the way you do it is you go underneath like this on the person, and then you pull and rip the seatbelt. So there's a soft edge down there, and then we just put it back away. So that is the seatbelt cutter. And the last thing on this side, right here, is a disc saw. Which is also very sharp. Now, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there you can just see it. And see how all the lines it was milled. It's very thick and very sharp because it is designed to cut glass. So what you, in conjunction with this bit down here, so what you do is you break it, the windshield like this, and then you go in like this and saw away, as what they show in the video. Other cool features about this tool, it has a Phillips screwdriver here, and it also has a ream. So let's look at those two things now. So there is the Phillips screwdriver. And down under here is the reamer. So there's the oar. Also comes with a toothpick over here and some tweezers over there. So that is the rescue tool by Victorinox. Thanks for watching this video. Sorry about the autofocus on the phone, and have a good day.